Have you ever answered a phone call for someone who wasn't available?
Do you know what to say when someone asks, "Can I leave a message?"
Don't worry. Today, you'll learn simple and natural English expressions for taking a message.
Let's get started.
Good morning, ABC Company. How may I help you?
Good morning. May I speak with Mr. David, please?
Certainly. May I ask who's calling?
This is Michael from Green Solutions.
Thank you, Michael. Please hold for a moment.
Sure, thank you.
I'm sorry, but Mr. David isn't at his desk right now.
Oh, I see.
Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please.
Of course. Let me get a pen and paper. Okay, I'm ready. What would you like me to tell him?
Please tell him that Michael from Green Solutions called.
Sure. Michael from Green Solutions.
That's right.
What would you like me to tell him?
Please tell him that I'd like to discuss the new project.
Okay, you'd like to discuss the new project.
Yes.
Would you like him to call you back?
Yes, please.
May I have your phone number?
Sure. It's 555-2846.
Let me repeat that. 555-2846.
That's correct.
Great. I'll make sure he gets the message.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Excuse me, could you repeat your name?
Sure. It's Michael Turner.
Could you spell your last name, please?
Turner.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And what is the best time for Mr. David to call you?
Anytime after 2 o'clock would be fine.
Okay, I'll write that down.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to speak with Sarah, please.
Certainly. May I ask who's calling?
This is Anna.
Thank you, Anna. Please hold for a moment.
Okay,
I'm sorry, Sarah is in a meeting right now.
I understand.
Would you like to leave her a message?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
Please tell her that I called about tomorrow's meeting.
Okay, what would you like me to tell her?
I'd like to confirm the meeting time.
Sure. Would you like her to call you back?
Yes, please.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-7319.
555-7319. Got it.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Good morning, Bright Office Supplies. How can I help you?
Hello, may I speak with the sales manager?
I'm sorry, she's away from her desk at the moment.
Okay, can I leave a message?
Absolutely.
Please tell her that I called about our recent order.
Okay, may I ask for your name?
My name is James Wilson.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson.
I'd like to ask about the delivery date.
I understand. You'd like to ask about the delivery date.
That's right.
Would you like her to call you back?
Yes, please, as soon as possible.
May I have your contact number?
Sure, it's 555-9021.
And is there anything else you'd like me to include?
No, that's all.
Okay, I'll pass the message to her.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Sometimes the caller may speak too quickly.
What should we say?
You can politely ask them to repeat the information.
For example, could you repeat that, please?
Exactly.
What if we don't understand the phone number?
You can say, "Could you repeat the number more slowly, please?"
That's very useful.
You can also say, "Let me make sure I have that right."
Then repeat the information.
Yes, this helps prevent mistakes.
I once took a message from someone, but I wrote down the wrong phone number.
Oh no, what happened?
I thought the caller said 555-6812.
What was the correct number?
It was 555-6182.
Oh, you switched two numbers.
Yes. Luckily, I asked the caller to repeat it before giving the message to my manager.
Good thing you checked. Exactly. Now I always repeat phone numbers to make sure they're correct. Before ending the call, it's a good idea to review the message.
Let's practice.
So, let me make sure I have everything correct.
Okay,
Your name is Michael Turner.
that's right.
You're calling from Green Solutions.
Correct.
You'd like to speak with Mr. David about the new project.
Yes,
And you'd like him to call you back after 2 o'clock.
that's correct.
Your phone number is 555-2846.
Yes, that's my number.
Perfect. I'll give him your message.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Let's review some useful expressions from today's lesson.
May I ask who's calling?
I'm sorry, but she's not available right now.
Would you like to leave a message?
May I have your phone number?
Could you repeat that, please?
Let me make sure I have that right.
I'll make sure she gets the message.
Would you like him to call you back?
Thank you for your help.
Now, imagine you're answering a phone call at work.
The person they're asking for isn't available.
What can you say?
I'm sorry, but she's not available right now. Would you like to leave a message?
Excellent. And after taking the message?
You can say, I'll make sure she gets your message.
Great. Today, we learned how to answer a phone call, ask for information, take a message, confirm details, and end a business phone call politely.
These expressions are very useful for everyday workplace English.
Have you ever taken a message for someone at work?
Tell us about your experience in the comments below.
Thank you so much for listening and learning with us today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.